Hi everyone, this is Shireen. Today I'm going to show you how to create galaxies on two background. One is black and other is white. You can see on my table the white one is the paper and the other one is the cardboard. I just wanted to show that you can use any sort of thing to create art on it. I'm using watercolor paper and Lindy's Magicals. These are powdered colors. The colors which I'm using are pink, blue and yellow. They get reacted with water. You can see I'm just dropping the color on the paper. First yellow and then the pink one. These are really pigmented. Now I'm spraying some water. You can see how they have reacted on the paper. It looks really beautiful. Now I'm using the third color, which is blue. It is the darkest color, so I use that at the end. You can see that blue reacted with yellow color and gave a greenish effect. Now I'm spraying more water and adding more colors just to ensure the entire page is covered. My page is dried. Now I'm taking some water on my hand and splashing it on the paper, and I let it sit for a minute. Now with a tissue paper or a paper towel, just dab it on the page, and you can see the beautiful effect has been created on it. It looks really real. I've dried it up. Now I'm taking gesso and I'm creating white splatters on my galaxy to give a star-like effect. You can take white acrylic as well. I'm taking gesso, which was handy. This is my black ink pad and I'm covering the edges of my galaxy in order to make it real looking. Just a little bit here and there to cover the edges, that's it. Now I want to give a title. I am using best wishes stamp and stamping it in the middle because that is the lighter part and my sentiments are dark. I'm stamping some stars also, just for enhancing it. Now with my black glitter pen, I'm highlighting the title just to give a sparkly effect. I had created a card before using the same technique and using the same colors. You can see this one looks so different. I decided to create a galaxy card and sticking it to the card base. You can see how beautiful the colors are looking. For my second galaxy, I'm using a cardboard and I'll be painting with my black gesso. Gesso is basically a primer which ensures that your color or the water does not get absorbed by the cardboard or paper or any surface you're working on. Now I'm spraying some white color on the cardboard after drying the gesso. This is to give a different effect, also to pop the colors, because on black the colors won't be visible, and I'm repeating the same process as we did on the white background. Just drop the colors and spray some water. You can see the effect is so different from the white background galaxy. I'm splattering some white gesso on it now. I have these glitters. I'll be using the golden stars, but before that I've taken golden metallic color and splattering few drops on it just for sparkling it. Now I'm putting some glue on the page and gluing the stars. You can see how different and how beautiful it looks. And on the edges I'm using the same golden color just to make a border, and for the sentiments I'm using smile today. It is also in golden. You can see both are so different in looking with the same colors and same techniques. I really enjoyed making these galaxies, and these were so easy. They were not at all time taking. You can also try it at home, and if you want I can show you how to make galaxies from watercolors. Just let me know in the comment section below, and also let me know that which one did you like the most. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button if you want to. Thank you. Bye.